Welcome back. So today it's a Sunday. We're fishing for a feed of flatty. We're down at a little spot in Dalkeith. Got a nice incoming tide. So I missed the outgoing tide, but I think this is going to be good. It looks like there's heaps of run in the water. There's heaps of flats here. Give you a little look around. There's heaps of flats, heaps of rocks, heaps of weed beds, little drop-offs all the way out. Don't know if you can see in the video, but there's blue water out there. Then that's the entire flat that comes out, and it slowly sleeps down and a little drop-offs the entire way. So we're going to be working this area as the tide comes in, and hopefully we can get a few decent flatties for a feed. Let's go. Yeah, I'll just grab my stuff. Actually, we will walk over to the other side because I can tell we're going to be engulfed by water here if we stick around. Oh yeah, she's pumping in now. Oh, that looks better over here. There's a few people here. Just move maybe 50 meters down. A little bit more sand here. So before we get out in the water, we're just going to cover this ground. And then you probably can't see, but there's a weed bed. And then there's a lot more sandy patches over there we're going to target. We'll just see if there's anything in here first. We'll give this a good little cover. I'll just slow roll in this. It's quite shallow. Oh, there's some blowies in there. Seen a horde of blowies chasing it. Oh, there's heaps of bait here too. It's good. This might be a good spot. Heaps of bait. It is very sandy here. Nice little spot for flatty to settle down here. Whether they're here or not, that's the real question. They might not have moved up because that tide's only just started to come in, so. But this sand's like perfect for them to hide in. Here's the dead crabs here. I wonder what's killing them. Yep, there we go. I think that's our first flatty, guys. There we go. So that's where they are. They're just on that sandbank. I don't think he realises he's hooked. He's not head shaking or anything. I wonder what this is. Oh, there he goes. Oh yeah, that's a nice one. That's nice. What is that? That's a flounder, I think. Is it? Yeah, I got a flounder. Nice. We'll just walk him in. That in the water. Yeah, if he doesn't get off. Yeah. Oh, it's a flounder. Oh, I just wrapped myself up. So we've got a 30, what is this? 31, 32, 33. Get back on that mat. Oh, he's putting sand all over my camera. Stop it. Stop it. Stop it. 1, 2, 3, 4. 34, I think. Yeah. If I don't drop him, look at that. 34 centimeter flounder. Hello. Is dinner. Oh, dropped him. I'll get into smashing in the bag. First fish. Got a nice flounder. First time I ever caught a flounder. My FG knot is absolutely destroyed there. So I'm going to keep casting it, but I don't know how long that's going to hold up. I don't really want to tie it just yet. We've only just got here. Kind of annoying. But, you know, I'm going to head straight back to that spot. There's definitely going to be flatties here. Definitely going to be flounder. So that's good. Just need to avoid the jellyfish and any stingrays that might be around here. Yeah, hopefully that knot holds. The actual braid just next to the knot's all scuffed up too. Don't know how that happened. I reckon if we get another fish, I'll definitely just change it. That little fish flicked like sand all over my cameras. My action cam, my phone cam, sand everywhere. Pretty cool. They don't really fight though. They're quite strong swimmers, but they don't fight like a flathead. I was just in this, don't know if you can see on camera, but there's a big sand flat just there, and it looks like it's a bit deeper, so it's a nice little drop off after this weed patch. So hopefully they're all just sitting along there, waiting for a fish to come off this weed patch. That's what I hope anyway. And flounder's a weird looking fish. Like, they got like two eyes, one's all bunged out. I was reading apparently when they're younger, the eye's actually over the other side and somehow they mutate around. It's so weird. Oh, there's jellyfish everywhere. I don't know if those little white jellyfish bite, but they freak me out if they sting. I really hope they don't, because they're everywhere here. That's all she wrote for today. The weather's just absolutely crazy. The tide's smashing in, the current's smashing in, the wind's just blowing a gale here. So we've got the one flounder. Fish gods blessed us, so that's great. I'm gonna go home, eat that up for lunch or something. And yeah, it would have been nice to get a few more fish, like a few more flounder even, or maybe a flatty. Since the guys here, they said they caught a 40 just along here, so they're definitely here. They just didn't want me today. But yeah, if you like this shit, like and subscribe for more. Peace.